Do you have a coop that is a scary mess that needs to get cleaned up? Well, why not decorate it and make it really spooky? What's clicking, peeps? I'm Georgiana, and today we're going to be taking Weezy's coop and making it really spooky. Planning time is key to getting it done, so grab a copy of my free downloadable day planner in the description below. Now let's take a look at this scary mess. Okay, I have an idea for a project that seriously needs to be done. And this is going to be quite embarrassing to show you the state of this coop. There's two sections that really need work done. But the big girls' coop, we call it. The old ladies live here. We're down to 3 chickens that live in this coop. But it's gotten seriously overgrown and, decorations, it's a mess. We had a pallet out here once upon a time. Because of the clay soil, it was easy to slip and fall. But look at how overgrown it's gotten. So I want to take all this out. Get my niece to help me with the weeding, mowing of it. It used to be decorated. Look at that window. But then I really need this cleaned out for winter. I always have a chair where I could sit, but we need to get this all cleaned up. I put old jeans in front of the nesting boxes, a couple of them, for privacy. This was, one of the first coops we learned. Nope, they really like a little more privacy. They weren't using it much. But right now, the girls, 3 girls who live in here, Weezy, Lavern, and Mabel, 3 white-crested chickens, really just stay on the top. They'll come in and they will hop up onto the bars. They all 3 sleep up there. My brother-in-law even hardwired a heat lamp in here. I've got that shower curtain up over there for the slats so wind and rain doesn't get through when it's really cold. We're going to be close to winter here. And it helps to keep them warmer. I did put some other blankets up along the sides since they roost up there, so I'll have to figure that out. I want to do it, but we were storing some old hay in a bin. Look, everything's full of poop. I got to get it seriously cleaned out and redone. What would be fun is to decorate for the holidays. So I will keep you posted. You will only see this if I attempt to fix this. Okay, I made some progress. It's the first time I've weeded in years, but I'm grateful I'm able to actually be able to bend over and breathe and weed. So health-wise, that's an improvement. But the cleaning process has begun. I start on the inside, and I'll keep working on that and keep you posted. Okay, this is inside, making progress. Got some hay down. I'm going to put some straw down. This is the shower curtain I had blocking the slats in the wall and that where the girls roost. I've ordered a Halloween one, so I'm waiting for that to come. And so yeah, still gotta get stuff cleared away. Clean out the top of the nesting boxes. My girls like to just eat up there. They hardly ever actually go down anymore, these older girls. Oh, sorry, it's hard work, can't breathe. So I've got diatomaceous earth I've put down that's edible. And I'm gonna add a bunch of their seed and grain and stuff on top. Then I'll be putting a water dish back up there. I have the nesting boxes that these people don't use, so I took the old jeans that we put on there off. I've got a big bag of straw. So it's going to go inside and outside. So the process is happening. And I'm burning up and my skin is on fire and I'm getting really itchy because of my allergies and asthma. But I do have a mask on. So I might have to just do this in phases. But I'm glad I'm getting a lot done here. I know you don't want to be the camera right in front of your face. Sit with mommy. Just sitting with mommy. What a pretty girl. Alrighty. I got the house done pretty much, I think, as best as I'm going to get it. Got as much weeding I can do for myself down here in the front. Weathered, hopefully maybe next spring. I can get that repainted, but I thought, well, that looks perfect for fall. We've got some spooky gravestones, a scarecrow and a skeleton. Got the flower box full. The purple flowers have creepy eyeballs. Take a look at the inside. Pick your poison, people. Don't make me flip my witch switch. And these girls can be witchy. We know how chickens are. But today I'm a good witch. I love my girls. They're all good. There's the water dish with the creepy spider. Rest in pieces. I got the new solar lights up. I'll do that a bit tonight. I'll come back and film in the evening. Welcome. Come in and rest your bones. And I got the new shower curtain to block the wind and rain from that side. It's kind of fun that the solar lights are behind it, so it lights up a little. I think it was like $10 or $12 or whatever on Amazon. And knowing me, I'm going to leave it up longer than Halloween. But we'll see. I still have the old one that was just bubbles. Another sign. Me and my sister had a bunch from past years and from work. Let me see. Can we see that good? No bones about it. I'm working the graveyard shift tonight. We've got our trick or treat out the window. Witch parking only. Violators will be towed. Cute. That was my sister's. Another tombstone. Rest in peace. Oh, it was really creepy when I was like putting some nails in to like hang the garlands and stuff. Just now, where was I? I was over here. I was putting this nail in, and a spider, actually, a big one, came out from right behind that board. Scared the crud out of me, man. So it's actually haunted. I think there were a total of 3 spiders came out when I was doing stuff. The others were babies, but the big one scared me. So yeah, we'll come back tonight and see what it's like. Oh, I should probably go get Weezy right now. Let me go grab Weezy. She can model her house. There's Weezy. Hi, Weezy. What do you think of your new house decorations? Do you like it? Do you like the decorations? Is it spooky? Yeah, go check it out. Oh, you scared? No, it's pretty, huh? Pretty and scary. But it's perfect for the little witchetty house. I got 3 white-crested chickens that sleep in this coop. They're the 3 old ladies. The 3 witches. Alrighty, and here is the coop at nighttime. I turned their heat lamp off so we could see it without it being really red. But we have been getting down to freezing already. The fun decorations. And inside, here's the solar lights. Again, this is for Bright Tech. I just love these solar lights. They do last for years. And they're bright, so they're like the electric ones. But you can put them anywhere with the solar. It's awesome. And I gotta put them behind the shower curtain for them to glow through it. So it looks like, you know, makes it a little spookier. Sorry, girls. Did mommy make your coop spooky? Spooky coop? Zoom out a bit. And say goodnight to everybody. That's Mabel, then Weezy, and Lavern. Okay, that's it. Time for hugs and kisses. Good night, everybody, and happy Halloween.